welcome to the channel. This is Indesit IS70C 7 kilo condenser dryer. Got this for free along with the Beko Eco Care, which you may or may not have seen yet. I don't know. The jockey wheel is snapped and I replaced the belt. Purely for experience purposes, because when I was working I never really did a lot on tumble dryers, so I thought it would be a good idea to do that. But today the machine is being uplifted to be replaced by a brand new Hotpoint condenser, as this is a recall model. So I'll quickly take you around it. Top left, we've got a condenser going up in steps of 2 kilos for cottons, and it's I believe it's a 5 kilo condenser tank. And then over to the middle, we've got 160-minute timer, high and low heat, and the mains on off power thing. In the drum, standard Indesit setup, filter in there. It's the old 2-paddle design with the different height paddles. And down the bottom, the condenser flap, condenser itself, and then the air intake. I won't take the condenser out because what's the point? But yeah, that's that. It does work now. Actually works rather well when it's not tripping the electrics, which is what it's doing now since I brought it in, because it's been outside in the shed for a while. Never mind, it will be replaced in a few hours time and I'll give you an update then.